guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my series Start Where You Are. In today's video, my husband and I decided to reenact this situation that Budget by the Bag put before us. So just a hypothetical situation. Say you have a family member who has been financially struggling for many years, and they keep asking you for money because they believe you are more well off than them and can afford it. How do you cope with the constant act? Where do you draw the line between being a Christian person who helps in need of others versus being taken advantage of? Thank you so much, Crystal. This is a great situation. I'm sure that this situation is real for a lot of people. I've had a similar situation. So what I decided to do was do a little skit. My husband and I are going to be doing a skit, and it's just for entertainment purposes only.
Doing?
Good. How about you?
Oh, I can't complain, but I would complain, but it doesn't do no good to complain. But listen, as of right now for this week, I'm a little kind of short on cash, and I know you being the good Christian that you are, and I am going to need a little drop for right now. Is there any way you can loan me a couple of dollars until next week till my boss pays me?
Sure.
I promise I'll pay it back to
Sure.
you.
How much you need?
It's about $40, $50.
Oh, okay. I think I got that amount. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
All right.
Next week I will pay it back to you.
All right. I love you.
Love you too. Hey sis, how you doing?
Good. I ain't seen you in a while.
I know. Listen, boy, I don't know how to say this, but I'm just gonna have to say it. But I'm just pretty sure you understand because you being a Christian that you are. Look, last week I said I was gonna pay it back to you, the money that you took, you loaned me, but my boss had to put my check on hold for something that came up. So listen, is it possible that you can loan me about $75 a week until I pay it back to you? That'll be $125. I promise I will pay it back to you. I know you being the good Christian that you are, you can't help me, can you?
And you know what? I'm glad you brought that up about me being a Christian. Because you know, being a Christian, that means I accept Jesus Christ as my Savior. And I'm going to trust Him to the day I die. And that also means that I love you unconditionally. That's it as far as being a Christian. But Christianity does not mean that I have to give you money every time you ask for it. So because I love you so much, I'm willing to help you get your finances in order. So go to Dollar Tree and get you a notebook, and I got a pen, and we're gonna write down all your bills, and we're gonna try to figure out why you need to ask me for money every week. Even if your paycheck is on hold, you should have enough money set aside to where you don't have to ask people for money. So to keep our relationship from being damaged, I'm going to go ahead and stop the money right now and try to help you get your finances in order. Would that be something you'd be interested in?
Most definitely, if it can help me.
Okay, well, thank you. Write down all your bills. Write down how much you make. How often did you get paid?
Every week.
Every week. So write down how much you normally bring home with no overtime. Write that right here. Okay, so write down all your bills. Write down how much your rent is, your lights, water, cable, cell phone. I mean, you got one of them iPhones, so do you really need an iPhone?
Nope.
Okay, they may be somewhere we can save some money. Okay, so you just do that. All right. Okay. So we'll write all that down. So yeah.
All right. Oh, sister, thank you so much. You've shown me a better way of how to budget my money. I knew you being the good Christian that you are, that you was gonna help me out. Thank you so much. So, question. Does that mean I can still keep the $50 that you gave to me? You
know what? Because you were willing to let me help you with your finances, that's a gift to you. You can have that $50.
Thank you so much.
All right. All right.